Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to cancel MoneyGram transaction online. If you need to cancel a MoneyGram money transfer, follow the steps below based on how you send the transaction. Firstly, go to the MoneyGram website or open the MoneyGram app. Sign in using your username and password. Then click on your transaction history section. Find the transfer you want to cancel and click on it. If the transfer is eligible for cancellation, you'll see a cancel option on the transaction details page. Just click cancel and follow the prompts to confirm. MoneyGram will send you an email or notification confirming the cancellation. Also, you can cancel by phone or self-service portal. Visit the MoneyGram self-service portal and select cancel a transfer. Enter your transaction details and follow the prompts to cancel. Also, you can dial 1-800-926-9400 for US customers or your country's MoneyGram support number and provide your transaction reference number and other requested details. The representative will assist you in canceling the transaction if it's eligible. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.